Hey folks, David Frost, mystrategicforecast.com. You're here for another episode of The Lazy Gap Trader. And in this series, I'm showing you how you can make a living trading gaps in the market each and every day. Over the last 2 days, we've had 7 wins, 0 losses, over 2 days for the members. And I'm going to keep doing this. And I just want to show you how lucrative this can be and how you can make a living gap trading. So I'm going to go through the trades today. I'm going to show you the email that went out to members. And this one went out this morning, a little commentary in the beginning. Let's get to the trades. Okay, the first trade was INO. Let's go look at the price action of some of these trades, see the winners, and see the ones that came close, and see the ones that are setting up for next week, and give you an idea, and you can use your imagination on how you can make money doing this if you're given the price levels. It's pretty incredible when you think about it. Pay attention. This is unbelievable. So INO, today we had a level, let's go back to the email. INO had a level of, here we go, 972. And what happened was the stock didn't hit 972, but you can see the pullback off of where it did hit. And the point is, hit right here, and then it pulled back. And we would have had the same pullback had it hit our level, but it didn't. But here's why I'm showing this to you, right? Because it'll probably hit it next week and have the same pullback. So I've got it on my watch list, and the members will get this Monday and probably Tuesday if it doesn't hit. Unless something crazy happens, if it turns back down, then we'll probably take it off the list for a while. But I'm watching it, and it's on the list. So next one is FireEye didn't hit. That's on the watch list for next week. That'll probably get there next week. Why? This was an interesting one. Okay, let's take a look at this one because it's interesting how sometimes we avoid our losers by just following the rules. And I provide the rules in mystrategicforecast.com/gaps. If you go over there, you can get an ebook and also get 2 weeks of these trades that you're seeing, this email. You can get 2 weeks worth for free, no strings attached, no credit card, no nothing. You'll get the ebook explaining everything that I do, and then you get the trades, and you can just watch them. You don't even have to trade them. Just see how good it is each and every day, and then you can decide whether you want to sign up or not. But here's what happened. Okay, YY came to a high of 69.68. Now we were looking for 69.94 to 70. So what happened was we hit that level, pulled back, which was nice. It would have been a profit had this was our level, but it wasn't. Then it traded sideways the rest of the day, and then it went higher. And what happened was, when it went higher, it went through our level. And I tell you in the book why not to take that trade, what was wrong with it. And so therefore, even though it went through the level, and had you taken it, you would have been stopped out, but nobody took the trade because you're told not to take it based on certain conditions that existed in the stock all day long, and that was a pretty simple equation. So once it didn't hit our level here, came close, it's off the table. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Is APIC did not hit. We'll skip that one. ZOES, that is ZOES. Okay, that one hit. That was Zoe's Kitchen. ZOES. Okay, and let's go to the well. This is it. All right, excellent. So Zoe's price level was 35.97. Okay, 35.97. We hit a high on the first candle of the day at 36.15. Okay, which was 18 cents over our limit or over our buy price. And on the next candle, we hit a low of 35.22. Okay, 36.97 to 35.22. You can do that math. It's about $1.65 in your pocket if you took the whole thing, or even if you took some of it. There's a level that worked out. How good is that? If you held on, okay, which you probably didn't, because I wouldn't have held up here after it was going back up. It looked like it was going to reverse and go back up. So you're out of the trade. But look what happened here. Too bad that if this just happened all at once, that would have been a huge winner. But it didn't happen. That's okay. It's a huge winner. That's a fantastic trade. The whole thing took 10 minutes or 20 minutes at tops. So that's an excellent trade. Let's look at the next one. So that one's in the books. Let's look at ESL was the next one. That didn't hit. Let's see. And the reason why, by the way, let's look at the reason why ESL didn't hit. It's another one. And I also teach this. So ESL, we had a level of 95.25. And look where the stock went today. But here's what happened. The open was 94.01. When you open below the level, it's off the table. You look for another level. I didn't give you another level in this one, so it was off the table, so it's not a loss. It's just a no play. Okay. The next one was HCLP. That didn't hit the number. Let's skip it. ZUMZ. Next one. ZUMZ. Okay. ZUMZ had a level of 25.93. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. Okay, here's what I said on this one. 25.93, higher risk. Better support, 23.90. Less likely to get there, but it did get there. So 23.90, better level of support, 25.93. We didn't like that. Or that was too, look at what happened. So we open at 25, and therefore we don't take the trade, right? What did I say here? The level is 25.93, higher risk. We open the day at $25. We don't take the trade. What happens later? What was the next level? 23.90. Where are we down here on this low? 23.82, 8 cents. What happened about an hour and a half later? We're at a high of 24.40. That's pretty good. That's a 60-cent winner. Is that excellent or what? Okay, so that's another one in the books. That's 2 winners. Okay, 2 winners, no losers. Next trade, CMTL, didn't hit the level. CPF, okay, CPF is a good one. 2206, okay, 2206, CPF. All right, 2206. First candle of the day, the low is $22, 6 cents below the level. What happens? Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 hour later, you're at a high of $22.58. 58 cents on a $22 stock. That's pretty amazing in 1 hour. Okay, that's another winner. That's 3 winners in the books. Let's go to the next one. Let's see, SWHC. I think that's Smith & Wesson. That didn't hit the number. And it reversed on us. Let's see. COO is the next one. COO. Okay. COO, we're looking for support at 172.56. Okay. 172.56. First candle of the day shoots down. And keep in mind, the market was really selling hard this morning. So what happens is, and again, I teach this, when the market's selling hard and the volume is a little light on some of these stocks, you tend to overshoot. But here's what happened. You hit a low of 172.50. I'm sorry, hit a low of 170.50 when the level was 172.56. Okay, but look what happened after that. You reversed right back up, and on the 3 candles later, you hit a high of 175.67. Okay, if you held, and I teach you how to maximize the profit and take your risk all completely off the table. How do I do that? mystrategicforecast.com/gaps. You go find out. And what happens is, if you did that strategy, you would have got the whole thing all the way up to, or at least you would have got most of it all the way up to 176.69 off of a buy price of 172.56. Pretty slick. Okay, another one in the books. The next one was TLP. That didn't hit. It reversed on us. And then Nokia. Let me bring that one up, and that's a wrap. Nokia. The reason I want to bring it up is because I just want to show you the power of this stuff. Now, Nokia had a buy price of $6.99. Okay, I was looking for a break of $7. Okay, we hit a low of 7.10 and reversed, and the next candle, the next hour of the day, hit a high of 7.19. So had that hit our number, would have been 20-cent gainer. It didn't hit the number. That's okay, but you can see how accurate it is. Sometimes they miss, sometimes they don't. But you can see that even if when I miss by a few pennies, it's very accurate, and then you can count on the bounce that I cite in these. So for this one, for example, Nokia, I was only looking for a 10-cent bounce, and you would have gotten 20. I err on the side of conservative, so I give you the lower number. But nevertheless, you can see the power of this stuff. 4 winners, no losers today. A lot of gains, $1.65, 60 cents, 86 cents, and up to a $4 bounce. That's pretty good stuff. You can make a living gap trading. mystrategicforecast.com/gaps. Come check it out. You don't have to do anything. Just go see the gaps every day for 2 weeks. You'll be amazed at what this is. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I'm David Frost. mystrategicforecast.com, the lazy gap trader.